In this demonstration, we're showcasing how Dacast's MCP integration allows ChatGPT in developer mode to interact directly with the Dacast video platform. The goal is to automate common video management tasks using natural language commands. Once developer mode is enabled and the Dacast MCP integration is activated, ChatGPT can send structured tool calls to the Dacast API. These tool calls allow the system to query the video library, retrieve metadata, and perform actions such as creating playlists or configuring channels. In this example, we start by asking ChatGPT to locate VOD assets that meet a specific criterion. In this case, videos longer than 30 seconds. The MCP layer translates that request into a query against the Dacast media library and returns the matching content. From there, we instruct the system to create a new playlist called Rewind Channel. Rather than executing the action immediately, the interface presents the requested operation for validation. This approval step ensures that users maintain control over any action triggered through the integration. Once confirmed, the playlist is created and the selected content is added automatically. Next, we extend the workflow by creating a new live channel and associating it with the playlist. This allows the content to be streamed as a continuous broadcast experience. The system again asks for confirmation before updating the playlist configuration and linking the live channel. Finally, we customize the playback experience by applying a splash screen using an external image URL. This step demonstrates how presentation elements can also be configured through the same conversational interface. Overall, this workflow illustrates how the MCP integration enables ChatGPT to act as an orchestration layer for the Dacast platform. Instead of navigating multiple menus, users can discover content, organize assets, configure channels, and apply branding, all through structured natural language interactions with the system.